Alright, second part of this video, we are looking at actual values, number values in a word problem, solving the system. And so you still follow the same steps to solve the system. Read the problem, define the variables, write the equations, and then solve the equations. So, tickets are being sold for a football game. Reserve tickets are $4 each, and general admission tickets are $3 each. After the game is over, the turnstile shows that 1,787 people paid admission. A turnstile is just that little thing you walk through, and it turns and it keeps track of people coming in and out. Well, just in. And the total we made was 5,792. How many people of each type of ticket were sold? So, important information. We know reserve seats were $4 each. General admission were $3. I don't know why you don't pay that extra dollar to get this reserve seat and feel famous, but whatever. And then we have a total of 1,787 people, and then a total amount of 5,792. So these two totals are going to be important once we set up our two systems, or our two equations for our system. So in defining a variable, again, you can use any letter. We're going to say R for reserved and G for general admission. So R, reserved seats, G is general admission. And then we're going to write our two equations. Now, when doing problems like these where you have totals, we need to figure out how do you get these two totals. Alright, so the first total, 1,787 people total paid admission. Alright, how did they pay admission? They either bought a reserve seat or a general admission seat. Alright, so to get this 1,787, you either bought a reserve ticket or a general admission ticket. So remember, these are the ticket types. These are the total number of tickets sold. And then the amount that was made was 5,792. And we know that $4 per reserve seat plus $3 per general admission. And depending on each of those tickets, that's how we get this total amount. Now, solving the equation. Again, these are in standard form. I'm going to solve it up here because I have more space. So the easiest way to solve these is through using the elimination method. But if you wanted to, you could solve it any of the three ways. Now remember, in elimination we need a variable to cancel out. So I'll just do R. So to get these to be the opposite, this is 4, I need to multiply by -4. So you have -4 times 1787. And get -7,148 equals -4R plus negative or minus 4G. You can put plus -4G, I just put minus 4G. And then this equation is the same. All right, then, like on our quiz, we add the two equations. If anybody missed that question, it was because they put subtract, but you're actually adding these two numbers. So negative 7148 plus 5792 is negative 1356. These cancel out. Negative 4g plus 3g is negative 1g. Then we divide by negative 1. 1356 equals g. So we know that there are 1,356 general admission tickets sold. All right. So now we need to figure out how many reserve tickets were sold, and you can plug this in to either one of these equations. So we'll just do the first one. So 1787 equals R plus 1356. Subtract 1356 from both sides. And get 431 reserve seat tickets. All right, and to check your answer, you just plug both values in to see if they balance out. 4 times 431 plus 3 times 1356. 1724. And 68. And that does in fact equal 5,792. All right, so it equals out. So we know now it would be proper to just write out what you have. So 431 reserve tickets and 1,356 general admission tickets. So try this next problem on your own. Again, just do the second problem on this page and then the first page that you watched the first video on. And I will see you guys in class.